I recently converted my wood-burning fireplace to ventless gas logs. I then decided to build a summer fireplace screen to sit in front of my new repurposed fireplace. Summer screens have been around for hundreds of years. Before central heating, larger homes would put fireplaces in some rooms to provide heat. These rooms are areas where the family would gather and where guests were entertained. But in the summer, when the fireplace was not in use, a screen was set in front to block the view of the smoke, ash, and creosote-stained fireplace. My fireplace screen is an amalgamation of materials: hardwoods, cast iron, and stained glass. The shape of my screen was inspired by the shape of a back iron. A back iron is a large piece of cast iron which sits behind the fire. When the fire is raging, the iron absorbs the heat. As the fire dies out, the iron radiates that heat back into the room. So in a kind of juxtaposition, my screen, shaped like a back iron, sits in front of the fire, not behind it. There is one other element that I included in my fireplace screen, and that is light. Alexa, turn on the fireplace screen.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the fireplace screen white.
Very well.
Alexa, please turn the screen orange.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the screen blue.
Got it.
Alexa, turn screen yellow.
Okay.
Alexa, please turn the screen red.
Done and dusted.
Alexa, let's turn the screen purple.
Got it.
Alexa, can you turn the screen chartreuse?
Okay.
Alexa, turn the screen apricot.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the screen independence.
You betcha.
Alexa, how about turning the screen sunrise?
Got it.
The fireplace screen is constructed mainly from hickory, ash, and wenge hardwoods, obtained from Kime lumber. You're viewing the center panel cut out of 3/4-inch hickory veneered plywood. The routed pockets are inlaid with dark wenge, which is imported from Africa. The hole was jigsawed in the panel to accept the stained glass piece. The glass had to be exposed in the back to accept light. The cap that fits on the curved top is made of ash, because ash is a very bendable wood that won't splinter and crack during bending. The legs are made of 3 hickory boards joined together. The middle board has a mortise routed in it, while the center panel has a tenon. That's how the legs are joined to the screen. The top boards on each leg have 2 rectangles jigsawed in them. That's so they can display stained glass. The stained glass pieces in the legs were custom made by Radiant Arts out of Beach City. In order to illuminate the stained glass, I installed MyWise Smart LED lighting behind them. The LED lighting can be controlled 3 ways. 1, you can use the remote control that comes with the light set. 2, you can download an app and put it on your phone or tablet that uses your home Wi-Fi to communicate with the lights. And 3, you can use Alexa by voice to control your lights. Alexa by far is the easiest of the 3 choices, as you saw demonstrated earlier in this video. The stained glass panel was manufactured by Chloe Lighting. I've mounted this glass panel in an unusual way. In woodworking, most panels are clamped from behind so you don't see the clamps. But I wanted to put cast iron in my screen. I found these acanthus leaves along with all the cast iron items I used from Architectural Metals. I altered these acanthus leaves to become clamps to keep my stained glass in place from the front. A view from the back shows the LED lighting hardware located in the bottom left-hand corner. As this summer fireplace screen is meant to be movable, I installed 2 handles on the back to facilitate easy movement.
Try to set the night on fire.